Look at that good pizza. Ooh, can y'all see that good? Let it dropping. Ah, damn.
Everybody knows Sam Club.
Who beats better, Sam Club or Costco? They can hear you.
Oh, so everybody knows Sam Club got the best pizza.
By the time I do this.
Everybody knows people love the pizza, hot dogs, sausages at Sam Club. It's like once you shop, you gotta come over here and get some pizza.
We still ain't bought a whole pizza here yet.
I don't know why we never did it. Like a whole pizza is like $8.
I don't know
And
why.
then these, I'm a slushy person. I don't know if y'all can see. You can't beat 89 cents for a slushy. That's cheaper than going to what, Speedway, you think?
Is it still that cheap? It's $1 now.
It's 89 cents. I just seen the sign. Well, who can beat a piece of a drink in the combo? What, for $2, $2.50? You just now this is a cheap date right here, cheap lunch date.
Yeah.
And then this meat lovers is the best one they got right here.
What you saying, bomb.com or something? You know?
It is the bomb.
Let us know what you like about our new merch. We'll be selling them soon. When we get to like maybe 1,000 subscribers, we'll start selling them or give giveaways and give y'all some free. Y'all part of the family, you know.
Slushies is the bomb. Yeah, they do.
I wish it was refill.
You always ask about y'all. One thing about my husband, he always go places and think he supposed to get refills on every beverage. Like
I'm gonna ask too.
I'm talking about, yo, he's been to the same place 1,000 times, and he still gonna ask them, is it a free refill?
Somebody gonna tell me yes if they tell me no.
Especially when he comes to places like this. Like, what is that? Like if you go to like Charlie's or something in the mall and you be asking about the, like yeah, if you go to like say you in the mall and you grab something to eat, he be asking like when he buy the lemonade, he
You gotta
say,
get a mix too.
he be like, can I get a refill?
They be like it's $1. $1 my butt.
Just thirsty all the time. That's all. Between you and my son, I don't know who works. Always want something to drink. I'm thirsty. That's what my son be saying. I'm thirsty. Let's just say, don't leave your beverages around
10
him.
out of 10. I'm drinking to everybody.
I'm talking about in the
Just in my household.
Family. Not saying like that, but let's just say our drinks ain't safe for them.
I'm about to drink some random drink.
You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
You just told them don't leave your drink around there around me. That's what you saying. I'm about to drink
Y'all know what I mean. Like in the family.
See y'all ain't drinking y'all drink.
Interesting.
They know what I'm saying. Yeah, I did say it like that, but still, they got me. If we a good family, know what I'm saying. If you one of his kids or me, you can forget about the two little kids. Let me get that right. You can forget about it. Yeah, them two, they gonna drink your stuff up. Like, see, between him and my son, y'all gonna drink it up.
Every time.
Happy Easter weekend, y'all.
Yep.
In case we don't see y'all.
She's supposed to be cooking. So if y'all don't see a cooking vlog or actual cooking video on Sunday, it's her fault.
We gotta go to, that's the next stop though, y'all. We gotta go to Kroger and get the rest of our, we grocery shopping and holiday shopping. But I'm not making a lot of stuff like that, y'all. I plan on wanting to make some
Tell them what you're making.
I want to make some smoked turkey, what is it? Turkey leg, turkey wing, whatever. You know what I'm saying. And some dressing and macaroni and cheese. Just something simple because I gotta work the next day after Easter, so I don't be liking to cook all day. My working people know how it is. You don't like to be. You want to enjoy your holiday. It's not a day off. It's not like I got an extra day off. That's my regular day off anyway. So and what I'm thinking, I think I want to start cooking I think I want to cook my stuff Saturday, so I could eat and chill, eat my leftovers on Sunday.
Oh, whenever you cooking, I'm eating.
So because I be doing other stuff on Sunday. Like that's my
cooking Friday is eating
Sunday.
Friday.
Sunday is my reset day. That's what they say. And by that, I mean reset. Y'all know. Today we get ready to start over for the week, so I'll be having to do a lot. So I'd rather cook Saturday for me.
All the bitches need is some butter crust.
See, once again, y'all.
They know my body 50% butter.
Talking about that butter, I be trying to expand my husband's lifespan, but he don't listen to me.
From my die anything, I'd rather be from butter than a gunshot.
Why would you die from a gunshot? Where you gonna be at? We don't live in the hood. What are you talking about?
Just saying.
Out here, nothing.
Ain't the only place people
We don't
get
live
shot
in the
at.
hood though.
People get shot not in the hood.
That's true, but where you go, old man? Where you going? My husband don't go nowhere like that, y'all. He ain't with me or at work or with our kids. He don't go nowhere. So I don't know what he talking about. And he don't like going place without me, so
It's good though.
this man don't even like to go to the doctor without me, y'all, okay?
I can use one more slice of it.
You heard what I said?
Mm-hmm. Now I do the doctor.
He don't. Remember you had to go to the doctor about your foot?
Yeah.
You was mad you had to go by that I couldn't go with you one of them times you went?
Mm-hmm.
I said, who gets mad? He had like it was life or death, y'all. He mad because I couldn't go.
When you got a life partner, that's what it means.
Yeah, but
Yeah, everywhere
man,
you
I
go.
can't. Yeah, but you can't be everywhere with me either. Sound like you about to go get you another pizza, slice of pizza or something.
I should. Trying not to be a fat butt today, but boy, slap.
What you think about letting the kids die Easter egg? But the price of eggs so high, I'm a little skeptical.
All right, we'll be back with our final thoughts. Back in a second. I ain't full, but I'm good. And sometimes that's all that matters.
Right, you can't be greedy all the time.
It's in my nature to be greedy. That's all I know. All my life I had to fight.
What are you talking about?
I had to fight off the temptation of burgers.
Nah, what are
Chicken.
you talking about? Comment down below if you know what the heck he talking about.
They know what I mean. My
I don't
fat
know.
people know what I mean.
They don't even know what you're talking about. You talking about all he had life he had to fight. What are you talking about, babe?
Fight off the urge of wanting butter. And pizza and chicken and
Warm butter.
I probably should have been a 500-pound kid. I ain't eat as a kid though.
I know. That's how we see that. We look at my son. He don't eat nothing.
What's crazy is $3 more we could have got a whole pizza.
Told you it's $8. But did we really need that? No.
That should have been good though.
We don't need that. We about to go, if we was going home or something,
If anybody else go grocery shopping and then stop and get something to
you
eat?
got to. That's the law. That is law. Everybody, comment down below who goes grocery shopping. You get all this food, and then you don't want to cook. Who want to cook when they get home? Nobody. Let's just keep it real. Especially after you done worked all day and you gotta go grocery shopping. You don't want to cook. That's the rule, right? I thought that was the rule.
Yeah. But yeah, Sam Club pizza is always a go. Always great.
Fresh,
9
hot.
out of 10. I just wish they had that garlic butter crust or
The
something.
pretzel's good too.
I'm still hungry. I want something else.
We about to go up there and get him another slice of pizza, y'all.
I can't do another slice, but
We'll get you a pretzel or something.
all right, y'all. So I'm greedy.
Alright,
Have to get me another pretzel.
told y'all he was gonna get something else.
I wanted the pizza pretzel, but ain't having the butter on it.
That's why you didn't get it for real? Or they ain't had it?
It's right there. Two
I'm
of them.
saying, that's why you
It
didn't.
didn't look greasy.
Cause it didn't look greasy, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
I thought he gonna say like he just had pizza, he don't want no more pizza
No.
type thing. No, he said
Try that.
that he don't want it because it's not greasy, it ain't buttery enough.
Let's see that cinnamon.
Just tell me if that sounds greedy or not, y'all.
It don't.
It don't have enough butter on it.
But you know what I'm talking about? The We Eat Good family go to Little Caesars, get extra butter and parm. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. That's what I do. When I eat Little Caesars, which is not oftenly, Extra butter and
He
parm.
hates Little Caesars for real.
Little Caesars suck, ain't gonna lie. Little Caesars is terrible.
That's like the budget-friendly pizza, though. You ain't got it, you go there and get some pizza. Nothing else to eat today.
Sometimes you gotta make your wife eat, you know?
I ain't even nothing else. I'm good for now. All that bread.
Y'all think she's taking for no reason? Me. She was like 90 pounds when I met her.
I was not 95.
Now she's like 285.
You know, I'm 385. I ain't 3
I
nothing.
said 285.
I ain't 2 nothing either. You think I'm big as him, y'all?
I ain't 285.
I mean, 3 sodas,
3 sodas.
2 bags of hot Funyuns,
2 bag hot for you.
a Nutty Buddy,
Alright.
a strawberry shortcake,
Alright.
an ice cream sandwich, 2 fudge round pies,
Alright.
and Nutty Buddy, a plain Nutty Buddy.
Exactly. He trying to say I'm big as him. You trying to say I'm bigger than you. That's the thing.
You didn't think I caught that?
No, he ain't think I caught that. He
Ain't
trying
bigger.
to
I
say,
said 285, so you trying to say I'm bigger than 285?
no, I'm saying you saying I'm bigger than
Like
you.
Dora the Explorer.
If
Look, look.
if I'm 285, you trying to say I'm bigger than you or big as you? That's not cool.
This boy
He
is
over here talking
good.
about these little girls that like Dora.
This is like, I swear to you, they like Dora. Promise. I don't like to show the people off, but they're adorable.
He ain't got no sense, y'all.
Come here, Miles.
Uh-oh, she hurt herself, y'all.
And they're in the way. These people just got in the way. There they go.
She didn't even pay attention to it. She was hurt her.
Yeah.
She hurt her leg. He didn't even care. He's like 2 minutes late for paying attention.
That's how your hair was when I met you like that.
My hair was like what?
The Dora the Explorer.
My hair was never like that because I ain't never even had bangs like that.
All right, y'all.